Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add music to your Instagram story. Alright, so it's pretty simple, but remember this: Instagram music is a feature which is available only in some country. So if Instagram music is not available in your country, then you cannot add music to your story on Instagram. Alright, so you need to make sure if Instagram music is available or not, and by watching this video until the end you will find out if it is available or not in your country. So you don't have to go anywhere to see if it is available or not. Alright, so watch this video until the end to understand how you guys can add music to your Instagram story. Now before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom of your screen and click on the plus icon at the top of your screen and click on where it says story. Once you go on story, you can choose any photo or video from your gallery, or you can click on camera and click a random photo. Alright, so I'm going to click a random photo over here. Once I click a random photo, at the top you can see a double A, and right beside the double A there is a smiley looking icon with its bottom right corner peeled. You want to click on it, and over here you can see the music option. Now if you don't see the music option at the top where it says search, you can search for music. And even after searching for music, if you don't see this option, then basically Instagram music is not available in your country. Alright, because this music feature is the only way you guys can add music on your Instagram story. Otherwise you can download the music from YouTube and add it on your video by editing it yourself and posting it on Instagram story. That's also a way. But if you want to post music on your Instagram story using this feature, it needs to be available in your country. So once you see this, click on it, and from over here you can choose whichever music you want. So I'm going to choose a random music. Now once you select the music over here at the top, you can see done. Click on it. Now once you choose the music, the lyrics is going to be added automatically. If you don't want it, you can remove it as well. But after you add the music, you can click on share, click on done, and this is going to be added to your Instagram. And Instagram is also going to show which music is being used on your story. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can add music to your Instagram story. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.